am sorry, my connection is like really bad. Now I'm back. This is like the round 2. Please start writing. Just ask me questions you want to ask. Yeah. No one's writing. What's your favorite time pass? Sleeping. Best. सोने से अच्छा ना और दुनिया में कुछ है ही नहीं मतलब. What's inspired you to sing? A lot of things. My mom especially. Because वो घर में हमेशा गाती रहती थी तो मुझे भी मतलब वो बहुत अच्छा लगता था और मैं हमेशा चाहती थी कि मैं उनकी तरह गाऊँ. उनकी तरह तो मैं शायद कभी ना गा पाऊँ लेकिन you know. Gurnam Singh says my girlfriend is upset with me. Why she is upset with you, dude? What did you do? How can I buy your t-shirts? I'm gonna put a post, dude, soon. You can buy my t-shirts. Any melody? Yeah, sure. You know, someone actually asked me to sing Main Rahun Ya Na Rahun. So I'm just gonna hum a few lines. Main rahun ya na rahun, tum mujh mein sada baki rehna, mujhe neend aaye jo aakhri, tum ख्वाबों में आते रहना. Thank you. What about charity? Who is your king? What do you mean by who is my king? Okay, you studying. Thank you. What is your favorite song in Bollywood? My favorite song. I have lots of songs in Bollywood, but my favorite is like the all-time Kabira. I think कुछ भी वो गाने को replace नहीं कर सकता. कुछ भी इस दुनिया में मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. मुझे प्यार है वो गाने से. Can you talk without smiling? Why should I talk without smiling? Smiling is so good. I mean, you should do it always. अगर मैं ऐसे बात करूँ, हाँ क्या है? तो बहुत stupid लगेगा. Is there any special procedure to meet you? No, मैं बॉम्बे में मैं किसी भी आम लड़की की तरह हूँ. मेरे को रोड पे मिल जाते हैं लोग. आप मेरे को कैसे भी मिल सकते हो. आप जस्ट बॉम्बे आओ. अब मैं यहाँ पे अपना एड्रेस तो नहीं बताऊंगी श्योरली, बट आप बॉम्बे आओ और मैं कहीं भी आपको रोड पे मिल जाऊंगी. कहीं यहाँ पे घूमते. Which type of guy are you searching? I'm not searching for anyone right now. Like, I'm not. I'm sorry. I told you I'm actually studying. I'm studying arts, and it's not lame. Arts is cool. So yeah, I'm studying arts. Basically, it's English honors I'm doing. I just completed my first year, and I have to do my second year now. Okay, you know what? I can actually see a lot of comments saying that I've grown fat and chubby, and it's okay. People change. मैं 4 साल पहले जैसी थी मैं अब वैसी नहीं रह सकती. You like vada pav? No, I don't like vada pav. Unless it's with chutney. When it's with chutney, I like it. Have you ever failed in any subject? Yes. Obviously, I failed in maths in my 12th. Lekin it's fine, you know, because it was like best of 5. So I had physics, chemistry, English, Hindi and arts. So basically arts ने मुझे बचा लिया था क्योंकि मैं maths में fail थी और बस अगर arts नहीं होता तो पता नहीं क्या होता. I wanna go on a date with you. Surely, dude. I'm all yours. Why not? मैं इतने सारे कमेंट्स पढ़ पढ़ के मेरी आंखें कमज़ोर है, मेरे को कुछ दिख नहीं रहा। माई फर्स्ट क्रश, मेरे को याद नहीं है। कैन आई किस यू? हाँ भाई, घर का माल है, पकड़ के किस कर लो, क्या है ना? You liking mentions? Yeah, I'm liking mentions. Obviously, I'll do concerts. Whom you like and trust most in your life? I know the answer, and actually, the person is actually watching right now, but it's okay. I don't want to name that person. When are you coming to Hyderabad? As soon as I get a show, यार. कोई शो ही नहीं देता मुझे करने को. Let me be your eyes. ये क्या बात होती है? You have cute noise. Thank you. Will you sing हंसी की cover? I tried singing, yeah, but फिर पता नहीं कुछ हुआ ही नहीं उसका. Shraddha and Shashank singers. Where are your guitars today? My guitars are inside. One of them is right here. See? It's right here. Because I'm going to sing a song now, that's why. When are you coming to Dubai? I don't know. जैसे ही मुझे कोई शो मिलेगा मैं फटाफट से दुबई आ जाऊंगी भाग के. Say happy birthday Salman. Happy birthday Salman. I love you. Hi. You're my inspiration. Minus the jail and everything. Come to Kota. I wish I could come to Kota. I have so many friends in Kota. तू मोटा, मैं मोटी नहीं हूँ. Don't call me मोटी. Why do you do your hair and why I do this? I don't know. I just do it. It's nice. I mean मेरे को ऐसे बहुत बोर हो जाता है कभी, मतलब मेरे बाल ऐसे तो फिर मैं ऐसे कर लेती हूँ और फिर ऐसे. I'll sing a song. 7 minutes it's been, no? I'll sing a song. You're not asking me questions. I'll come everywhere, but give me some time. I love you. Please give me your cell phone. Your cell phone होगा वो. Cell phone मतलब favorite TV series. I used to watch How I Met Your Mother, and I actually, I'm not really fond of the sitcoms and everything. I like more animated stuff, so I love animated movies, animated series. Yeah. For a hair, over hair. मतलब? Okay. So I'm gonna sing Raste. Yeah. Come to Pakistan, I wish. Much love from Dopad Alex. Yo, Dopad Alex. Thanks for joining. I love you. Manu, na manu, hone ko sab ho jata hai, socha na aisa. क्या से क्या हो जाता है, कोई ना ये जाने, है सारे अनजाने, किसी को ना पता कल कहाँ ठिकाना, हमको भी बताना. Thank you. Someone just wrote stop singing. Okay, cool. No, I got the scale. Are you serious? But then I thought, okay, it's okay. I'll just sing like that. Hi Naveen, I'm good. You know, I'm just gonna perform in like 5 minutes. I'm gonna perform one of my original जो मैंने लिखा है. मैं बस थोड़ा सा दिखाऊंगी. Why don't you focus on playing it or singing? I mean that would. I know. I just chose not to play it. Oh, sorry. I was saying कि I'll sing an original जो मैंने लिखा है. उसका थोड़ा सा sneak peek I'll give you. And I'll be releasing it in 2016 very soon. Do you even have any idea ये करना कितना difficult है? इतनी सारी comments एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद. मुझे लगा था ये बहुत ज़्यादा fun होगा. Sure. What's your favorite Indian food? राजमा चावल. ये सब राजमा चावल खा गई तो हुआ है. Say hi to Alex. Alex, Anup says hi. Alex is not. Oh, it's here. Yeah, he's here. Say hi to Alex. He's there. Hi, Alex. You're in which standard? I'm in second year. Describe yourself in single word. I wish I could. I'm going to use that word right now. Who's your best friend? My best friend's Mani. I wish she was here. Hi Shraddha, how are you? Love your voice and must tell you, you are so expressive voice. Thank you, thank you. Wish you all the luck. Thank you. Sing any Atif Aslam song. You know, I'm going to do a live chat specially for songs. This is just for questions. Please sing one time, Chamayana. Okay. No, I'm not gonna marry you. I'm not gonna marry anyone. मुझे शादी नहीं करनी है. बस खत्म. Hi, Maitri. Praveen says hi. Praveen's girlfriend. What's your daily routine? My daily routine is I sleep in the morning, and then I wake up at around 1:30. I wake up and then I go for my class, my vocal classes, and then I eat. Then pura din I'm eating. Then I come back, I do my riyaz. Then 10 p.m. onwards, raat ko, I start writing my own stuff, doing my music. फिर वो रात के 10 बजे से सुबह 5-6 बजे तक चलता है. मैं फिर सुबह 6 बजे यही है एक्चुअली रोज का रूटीन. My weirdest adventure. I've had so many weird adventures in my life. Mani is your batchmate. No, Mani is not my batchmate. He's a pilot, actually. I have learned classical music, yes, the likha. My mom used to sing because she was a classical singer. So वो शाम को रोज मुझे अपने पास बिठा लेती थी और मैं उन्हीं से जो कुछ सीखती थी, गाना सीखती थी. Do you sing a song in washroom? Yes, I do that. What college do you go to? I go to, it's the SNDT Women's University because I'm doing correspondence. I don't go to college. Apart from singing, what are your hobbies? I like sleeping. I can sleep. कितने टाइम तक कोई सीन नहीं है. Happy New Year in advance. Happy New Year to you, Rohit. Do you have a dream which you really want to turn into reality? Yeah, I have a lot of dreams like that. My first dream like that, you know, एकदम से question को answer करना so difficult है. I love dancing actually, but I have not learned dancing. I like salsa. It's so cool. Do you have shortage of attendance in your college? Yeah, that's why I'm doing correspondence. So basically मैंने 1 साल पहले दूसरे कॉलेज से किया जो एक रेगुलर कॉलेज था, और क्योंकि जिस दिन उसका एग्ज़ाम था फर्स्ट ईयर का पहला, उस दिन मेरा एल्बम लॉन्च था, तो मैंने एग्ज़ाम्स नहीं दिए ऑब्वियस रीजंस की वजह से। तो उन्होंने मुझे बाहर निकाल दिया क्योंकि मेरी अटेंडेंस ही नहीं थी, मैं जाती नहीं थी कॉलेज क्योंकि मैं इधर उधर घूमती रहती थी, इसलिए मैंने करस्पॉन्डेंस चूज़ किया फिर। Yep, I'm single and not ready to mingle. When did you thought of singing as a career? Um, when this was like my first ever competition in my life, and it was called Sangam Kala Group. It's basically a all India singing competition, and so my mom actually told me कि you can go and you can try. तो तब मुझे पहली बार लगा कि हाँ यार मैं गा सकती हूँ, पर करियर एज अ करियर तो ऑब्वियसली जब यूट्यूब हुआ तब। If given a chance, what gift you will give me? I don't know you. How can I give you something? मृत्युंजय नुपुर बच्चा. If that's your name, it's very hard to pronounce. Sorry. You didn't answer any of my question. Dude, it's very difficult to answer all the questions. What's the color of my hair? It used to be red and now it's I don't know what. Why is a frank, ma'am? It's too good. You're too good, ma'am. Thank you. It's not about being frank. It's basically I am talking to you like I would talk to my friends. जैसे अगर मानी अभी यहाँ बैठा होता तो मैं जैसे उससे बात करती, मैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही बात कर रही हूँ, बस थोड़ी नर्वस। Oh Raj, you remind me of my sis. She's no more. That's very sad. I'm very sorry for you, and I'm glad that I remind you of her. Which song did first sing in your life? On guitar, I remember. क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, ये कसम ये इरादा. मेरे गिटार टीचर ने मुझे पहले सिखाया था वो गाना. Can I pull your cheeks? No. अरे फेवरेट एक्टर भाई सलमान भाई बोला तो. Which kind of man do you like to do concerts? Which kind of man? I don't know, dude. That's I don't know. How did you remove your stage fear? No, I still have stage fear, but it's basically till the last step of the stage. Like अभी स्टेज पे जाना है 5 मिनट में, तो 5 मिनट तक मैं पागल हो जाऊंगी, मुझे सांस नहीं आता, मेरा गला सूख जाता है. I feel like puking. I don't feel like talking. My heart beats very fast. And then when I'm on the stage and everyone's screaming and making me feel good, I'm in another world then. There's no more fear. Are you from GGN? GGN क्या होता है भाई? If you get a chance to leave someone's life, whose life you're going to leave for one day? I wish I could leave that person's life forever. No, I can't name that. How are you? I'm good, thank you. वो लम्हे close live and go. Your jeans, हाँ फट गई है, पता है मेरे को, क्या करूँ अभी? You don't feel cold? अरे this is Bombay, it's so hot. There's no cold, please. No, I'm doing any playback in a movie. No, I'm not doing a playback because I don't like the ideology of being a playback singer. I would love to if someone gives me, but I'm not trying for playback singing because because I want to be a performer. अगर मैं कुछ गाने बना रही हूँ तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं खुद मैं खुद गाऊँ और खुद वो वीडियो में हूँ, वो प्लेबैक. एंड it should be like my stuff, not someone else's stuff. Then I can't call it my stuff. Your face is so bumpy. You are bumpy. Please, a single reply. Okay, So I have to go now. Basically, my Singapore trip was awesome. Which phone do you have? I have an iPhone. When are you going to perform with Sanam? Never. My nickname? No, I don't want to know that. I don't want to tell it actually. Do you have eyesight? Yes. Obviously. That's very obvious. Okay. So now I gotta go. It's been 20 minutes and 10 minutes of the last video. So, you know, I changed my plan. I'm not gonna do my original today. I'm gonna do it in the next video. But I'll obviously sing a song for you people. And yep, that's it. You know, I was thinking कि कौन सा गाना गाऊँ, क्या करूँ. Shit, why this happens to me? I left my capo inside. I'm just gonna pause it if I can. No, I can't. Okay, so will you be coming to Meerut anytime very soon? My next show is in Goa on the 9th of Jan. How can I do this? I'll just be back in like 10 seconds. Alright, there we are. Do you live alone in Bombay? Yeah. Okay, so this is my song. I was thinking कि कौन सा गाना गाऊँ, कौन सा गाना. फिर मैंने सोचा ये गाना perfect रहेगा. और I'm gonna go after the song. So this song is for everyone. Everyone who's watching me right now and loves me, and I love you too. I'm also reading the comments, it's so distracting. This song has some another level of magic. I'm so sorry. Someone just called me. That's so bad. So I'm gonna continue from there, you know. जीना मेरा program than me. Thank you. I saw so many people writing, comparing this to Alia Bhatt's version. You know, you should never compare it. It's more like sabke apne qualities type singing. Anyway, so that's all for now. Okay, I'm just like that. Do you want any song and me to sing any song? If like which I've already done, so I can do that for you right now because I still have time. Wildest dreams. नहीं यार मैं इंग्लिश नहीं आती. So sad. Come on, tell me some song. It's 26 minutes, I gotta go. Tell me a song if you want me to stay. Okay. So I'm gonna sing one of like my favorite. दिल से Yep, that's it. Pouch, please. Okay, there's too much of sunlight coming on my face right now. Thank you so much, guys. This was awesome. And you know what? I'm just gonna pick a comment from this, and I'm gonna send you a free T-shirt. The merchandise you saw. Yeah, I'm gonna send you a free T-shirt surely. And you know what? जो भी इसमें से comment में जो सबसे light comment होगा, सबसे ज़्यादा light, I'm personally gonna send you a customized T-shirt, and I'll take your name in the next video, and a lot of things. You know, I want to sing more. I want to sing so many songs right now, but then I have to go. I'm so sorry. So next mention chat next year now. Okay, cool. Thank you guys. This was damn awesome. एंड आई एम सॉरी अगर मैं क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स नहीं कर पाई कुछ लोगों के, बहुत मुश्किल है, मैं बता नहीं सकती क्या स्पीड पे ये कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं सब. सो एनीवे, थैंक यू सो मच, लॉट्स ऑफ लव, एंड इन केस you missed my cool top, says super so I'm gonna send you these merchandise if you write a nice comment for me, and lots of love. I love you so much, and jaldi se dusra mention. Bye, have fun, have a great new year. Christmas to chala gaya abhi, and that's it. Bye.